That's right, your eyes do not deceive you. Midwest Picker here, going sourcing. It's Saturday, I believe it's May 22, I think. I'll correct that right here if I'm wrong. Probably the last 4 Saturdays, me and Mrs. Midwest, we've been cleaning our house, packing, making repairs, planting flowers, working our butt off. Wednesday, our house listed, phone's going crazy. Tomorrow is Sunday, so we go over all the offers with our real estate agent. We're super excited. We're going to pick an offer, we're going to accept an offer, get the ball rolling on selling our house. Probably 2 weeks after that, maybe 3 weeks, we'll be able to start seriously looking for a new house and putting offers and trying to get a new place. So far, staying at the mother-in-law's house. It's fantastic. She's fantastic. We're having a great time. But this is my first Saturday that I've had free, gosh, in probably 5 weeks. So I'm probably not even going to buy anything. I don't know. But I'm going to pop into this Goodwill here, just walk around and act like I know what I'm doing. If I find anything, I'll just stash it in the trunk of my car because we have no room. We have 2 storage units, 10 by 20s, that are full. We may have to get a third one. I don't know. So let's head into this Goodwill. I'm going to avoid the garage sales, I think, today. I don't know. Maybe I'll hit a few. But let's head into this Goodwill. It's in a really nice part of town. Maybe I'll see some unicorns, some treasure. Who knows?
All right, I had to record narration for this part. There's so much noise in this Goodwill. Oh my gosh. So here I am looking at the cups and the mugs and stuff. I hope there's no mic pop. Um, yeah, these are coffee mugs. Always flip them over. Look at the bottom for the brand. I'm looking for unicorn, something super valuable. I just don't have the space or the time to deal with bread and butter items. So here I am looking. That's kind of cool. Asparagus trays. Those asparagus trays are really cute, but I didn't grab them. I should have looked them up. Those are kind of neat, little geese. These are just, modern stuff that's just not super valuable. This is made in Korea. I did look this one up. I actually put it in the cart and gave it the prime time thumbs up. I ended up putting it back. It just is not super valuable. If you have a large set, then it is, but these are just 2 plates. Um, I thought they might be kind of cool, but yeah, I'm sorry for the mic pops. This not recording narration doesn't work very well. So I did give it the big thumbs up, but then I ended up putting it back. So looking at other plates and servers and trays and I just don't have time for this. This stuff is quality. It just takes, 2 years to sell. And if it's made in China, it's going to take much longer. Anything made in England or Germany, or that's a cute cat. Anything made in those countries tends to sell pretty good. Portugal sells a lot of glassware. I don't know what this is. Let me know in the comment section. Do you see anything I should have picked up? Cat the Nurse Flipper is really good for commenting and saying, hey, you missed this. If I missed anything, let me know. I can always go back because this stuff is a very slow seller where I live. Little Sam Adams there for you. There's the unicorn right there. I had no idea what it was, but it was weird. It was strange. It was bizarre. So I grabbed it. Strange, bizarre, weird sells on eBay, guys. So I put this in the cart. I went over to the book section of the store and I looked up comps and it just blew my mind. The asking price for that Janis Joplin goblet or wine glass is $100. Can you believe that? This kind of caught my attention because it looks like you know what, but it's not. It's just a copycat. It is not what you think it is. So yeah, and then I'm looking at the cookware. I'm looking for Revereware. I'm looking for that Crusette, however you pronounce it. There are brands that are very high end and very valuable. None of this stuff was. This was just your basic stuff. So definitely not going to do that. So looking to see if that cutting board there is brand new in the package, but it's not worth my time. $15 to $25 for that cutting board. I just passed on that. The rest are the usual popcorn makers. A lot of plastic. I stay away from plastic because it's pretty new. This was neat because it was new in the package, but it's just a tumbler. It's not worth anything. I think John might like that Cincinnati picker. These were unusual salt and pepper shakers. I didn't recognize the brand name. The UPC was obliterated there, so I couldn't really scan it. They are weird, but that doesn't mean they're worth anything, so I just left them. I didn't want to look them up. I didn't have the time. I just passed on those. The rest of this stuff is just very common stuff. Most of it's used. If you can find new in the package. This is knick-knacky stuff. Kind of funny. This is Pier 1 Imports, Target, Walmart, just modern stuff. These are stones to put in an empty vase. So none of this stuff really has a lot of value. None of it's vintage or antique. It's just all new. So I just gave it a quick look-see over and didn't really see anything. Ugh. Precious moments. I can't give them away. Give it a thumbs down. Some people sell them. Here I thought Cat Nurse Flipper would love this. I'm going to buy it and mail it to her. The little dolphins. Really cool. And then I noticed, oh yeah, this dolphin's missing half its body. So nope, thumbs down on that. Sorry, can't buy it. These rabbits are cool, unusual. This one is just basic, not worth anything. But the bigger ones are unusual. I just couldn't look them up because there was no markings on the bottom. Instinct said I should look them up. These are new in the package, collectibles. They're not really worth anything. I did look these up. I scanned a few UPCs off camera. Anywhere from $8 to $13, $14. They are in the box, which is good, but they just aren't worth it. You know, $5 from Goodwill to sell something for $10 is not worth my time, so I'm not doing it. So I put them back. All right, here's the dolly section. Yeah, these dolls are kind of weird, but you know, whatever. Makes for a good thumbnail. I just looked at these just to make video. I'm not really going to buy any of this, but you know, weird dolls are weird. If I saw anything super old or vintagey, you know, I definitely would, but um, nope, not going to buy that stuff. This is knick-knacky stuff. Not going to buy it. What is this? A big owl. Nope, put that back. So I do like to look just in case there's something vintage and old. I don't know if I recorded video, but I did look at board games. I think that's coming up in a minute. Yeah, nothing exciting here. Always check just in case. And that little puppy looking at me. Okay, so here's the board game section. Um, Unopened cards, it's worth nothing. I mean, $3. Thumbs down. It's about what it's worth is $3. And then something did catch my eye. Coming up right about there, Jumanji. Whoa, whoa. Joey does not like Jumanji. Look at my old video. I almost unleashed a curse on my office, something like that. Joey does not like Jumanji. So that's kind of unusual. Small, not really a board game. Maybe it's a travel game. I don't know. I put it back. 1997 vintagey. The rest of this has been opened and used. I mean, you could buy like this Monopoly game and part it out if you really wanted to. If I could get it for free, I would grab the Monopoly game and then part out the money and the pieces and the cards and all that. But I'm not paying $5 for a used Monopoly game to part out.
Alright guys, I left the Goodwill. Sorry for the traffic noise. I pulled off to the side to make this video, but this town is just so busy. There's people everywhere. Can't do anything about it. So, I've said this before. I think Cat the Nurse Flipper said this before. Weird, bizarre, strange sells. It just does. So you saw in the video, I looked at this goblet. See if I'll show you a picture of it too. Remember this goblet here? This is a Janis Joplin goblet. They have coffee cups, and then they have these goblets. There's no solds, but there is two, I believe. There's two, I believe. I'll put the asking price up here. $100 for that goblet. And of course, there was no price tag on it. So I go to check out, and she said it's $2.99. Is that okay? I said, yeah, sure, why not? And then we have a rewards program here where I live. So she punched in my cell phone number and she goes, do you want to use your rewards money? And I said, how much is it? She said $3. I had some batteries too for $1.99. So I said, yeah, sure. So basically I got this goblet for free, and the asking price on eBay is well over $100. I don't know why. I gotta go home and do some research on it. If it's true, I'll list it for $99.95, free ship, something like that. I don't know why two people, I think, are asking over $100, but I'm gonna find out. So that's all I bought today. So that's my goal, is to be more finicky and more picky. There was, you know, some things. There was a cutting board that was new in the package. I think it was bamboo and Royal brand. I don't know. There's sold like $25, $35. I could have got it, I don't know, $5 or $6 or $7. I'm just not doing that anymore, because that's going to sit in my eBay store for 2 years, and $5 into $25 and make the buyer pay shipping. Yeah, sure, you can do that, but I have $11,000 worth of inventory of doing just that. So I'm going to be much more picky, more particular. This Janis Joplin goblet, perfect. You could find this at a garage sale, a flea market, no idea. We know what the high-end stuff is, but I'm not going to buy stuff and scan a whole bunch of stuff and spend all day in the Goodwill. Time is money. I was in there for about 20 minutes. That's it. In, out, boom. Got a unicorn, I think, maybe. So that's the video, guys. I'm not going to have a front end and a back end. No eBay office. This is it, me and my car. Appreciate you guys watching. When we get into the new house, I'll have a new eBay office. Enoch will be up on the wall. Joey will be out of storage. He'll be a little pissed off, but he'll be out of storage. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I promise in the near future I'm going to have more videos, better videos. So yeah, that's it. Keep picking. Got any questions, put them down in the comment section. If you think anybody would like this video, hit that share button. We'll see you next time.